Wait, if you haven't been hearing about what's happening in the world of artificial intelligence right now, you need to watch this video. The tech world is freaking out. And this isn't just a big deal for people like you and I. Companies like Google are gonna have to make some changes. And I think the best way to explain it is, what if you could converse with Google? Instead of just searching for examples of healthy meal plans, for example, the AI system actually built and designed you the meal plan. This is what a company called OpenAI has built, the most advanced chatbot called ChatGPT that converses with us. So when we have questions about things, it actually helps us answer them. And you can ask it anything, such as write a tense scene with Leonardo da Vinci defending the value of AI art in an argument with Michelangelo, and it would return the script for you to use. You could say, I'm interviewing this specific biologist on my podcast. Help me generate questions to ask them. You can ask it to provide an agenda for your company's upcoming all-hands meeting. This is truly the beginning of each of us having our own mediocre intelligent assistant. I have so much more to say on this topic, including how this AI system actually works, some of the harms and dangers that can come from it, and what this means for the future of our jobs, content, and media creation. You're going to want to follow for more, and it's going to be a wild ride.